Christmas magic begins with hot chocolate. But today, something unexpected happened.
Just one more for research.
Romeo! December is in 2 days. Christmas is here. You ate Santa's candy canes again.
I was checking the quality?
That's it. I'm telling EK.
No. Wait! Juliet! Wait, don't tell EK!
Oh, Romeo. Juliet, you're here early. Did something happen?
Tell her, Romeo.
I performed a quality inspection.
Really?
All right, you two. Let's hurry before Romeo starts eating the Christmas decorations next.
It was quality control. Very professional.
Romeo, where's Juliet?
She was right here.
Huh?
She was right here.
Oh no. Juliet?
This is bad. Very bad. Not there!
Juliet? There she is! So, there she was, inside the store window, posing like a Christmas supermodel. Romeo, what is she doing?
Oh no. She thinks she's modeling.
Christmas.
But make it couture.
Come out, Miss Supermodel. Time for mission candy cane.
Wait, the lighting here is better.
Juliet! The candy canes!
All right. The mission?
She's unstoppable.
I will find candy canes. I promise. I am focused.
We know.
Huh.
Romeo, that's a candle.
I know. I'm training.
He's hopeless.
Oh, look. A fan recognized me.
That's a mannequin!
He's shy.
Oh, Juliet, he's plastic.
Let him dream.
Guys, I found them!
Romeo, that is a sock.
Huh.
I found one too.
Juliet, no!
No. Yes.
Guys, the real candy canes are right here.
The jackpot!
Come on, let's finally get some candy canes for our hot chocolate.
Mission accomplished.
I will protect these with my life.
Romeo, you ate the last ones.
That was past Romeo. This is new, responsible Romeo.
Already lying.
But first, the most important ingredient had to be secured. And finally, the candy cane crisis was over, which meant it was time for the hot chocolate recipe. Okay, step 1, gently warm the milk.
Camera, I'm ready for my cooking show close-up. Welcome back, darlings. Today, we prepare luxurious hot chocolate.
Juliet, there is no camera. Juliet, gentle. Just warm the milk, don't boil it.
Darling, I am the gentle one. Huh?
The milk disagrees.
Folks, make sure you don't overboil it at home. Add the chopped chocolate and don't touch the candy canes.
I wasn't!
Okay, let's finally add the chopped chocolate. Okay, now add the cocoa and sugar. Carefully. Romeo, focus! Let's do it again. In goes the cocoa powder and the sugar. And now a little crushed candy canes.
I have 0 regrets. I got this.
Romeo, gentle. Gentle. Here we go again. In goes the crushed candy cane to give that magical flavor. Juliet, that's way more marshmallows than the recipe said.
It's called creative expression.
I volunteer as marshmallow tester.
And now, marshmallows. Watch this. They melt into the hot chocolate like little clouds. So satisfying. And now, the perfect pour.
Oh, this is art!
I can smell happiness.
Ready for the official taste test?
Born ready.
I trained my whole life for this. Hot, hot, hot!
It's hot chocolate, Romeo.
Here, emergency marshmallow.
Thank you.
I completely forgot. We still need the topping.
That's the best part.
There's more?
Yes, maximum fluff.
It's alive.
Okay, maybe a medium mountain. Okay, guys, let's do it properly this time. We top with a swirl of cream. And now, a little marshmallow head, just gently resting on the swirl, like he's taking a warm chocolate bath.
Too cute.
Just a little sparkle. Red and green Christmas sprinkles. And a pinch of crushed candy cane for that peppermint crunch.
Perfect.
Do you hear that? That sounds like dancing music.
Finally.
My moment.
Snowflakes fall in the kitchen's glowing. Romeo and Juliet, look at them going. Hot chocolate simmering, candy canes tapping. Feels like Christmas magic just happened. Stir it up slow, then jazz it up quick. Juliet twirls with the peppermint kick. Romeo sliding paws on the floor. This is the dance we've been waiting for. Hot choc hop to the candy cane sway. Slide to the left in a holiday way. Spin, spin, spin with a peppermint pop. Everybody do the hot choc hop. Hot choc candy cane. Romeo and Juliet again.
This is so yummy.
Of course it is. If you loved this festive hot chocolate, wait till you see the next one. A flu-fighting holiday tea. Cozy, soothing, and perfect to share with your family. Tap right there to watch.